Hey friends, if you wish to install the Zawgyi keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So Zawgyi is the Burmese language, like Mandarin is the Chinese language. In the keyboard section, we use the word Chinese simplified for the Mandarin keyboard, but the language is called Mandarin. Okay, so similarly, when you wish to install the Zawgyi keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Time and Language tab, select Language and Region, click on Add a Language and search for Burmese. Okay, and then you will click on Next and Install, and it will install it. But merely installing it does not make it the primary language. You have to click on more options and keep moving up till it becomes the primary language on the top. You can also change the display language once it's on the top. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.